Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the main types of waves. Here we can see that there are two main types of waves. We can divide waves generally into two types. One of them is known as mechanical waves. So those waves which produced by oscillation of particles of the medium are called mechanical waves. These waves require a material medium for its propagation from one place to another place. Without a material medium, these waves cannot pass from one place to another place. So the main condition for these waves is that is a material medium. If we give examples, so the waves produced in water, sound waves, seismic waves, and waves produced in a string or rope are all mechanical waves. In this case, if we take the example of a sound wave, then sound wave is produced by the vibration of our vocal cords and propagate through the air in the atmosphere. So the air particles also start vibration, and with the vibration of the air particles, this wave travels from from the source to the listener. So sound waves is a mechanical wave. Similarly, the waves produced in water or at the water surfaces are also mechanical waves. In that case, the medium is water, in which the water molecules vibrate about their position and transport the wave from point of impact to the all directions. Similarly, the wave produced in the string is also mechanical wave. In this case, the rope or string is used as a material medium. So these waves are known as mechanical waves. Without the material medium, waves in water cannot be propagated. Similarly, sound waves cannot propagate without the material medium, that can be air, solid or liquid, because sound can travel through all these three mediums. Similarly, the wave produced in string cannot be propagated without the help of the rope. So these are the mediums, and the medium particles vibrate and produces these mechanical waves. Now, on the other hand, if we look, so the other type is electromagnetic waves. Those waves which propagate through vibrating electric and magnetic field are called electromagnetic waves. These waves are actually combination of electric and magnetic field, and with these combined vibration of electric and magnetic field, these waves travel from place to place. And the other main point in this type of wave is that it is different entirely from mechanical wave on the basis that it does not require any material medium for its propagation. The magnitude of electric and magnetic field can vary and are always perpendicular to each other. Similarly, they are also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. If you look at this diagram, so in this diagram the shaded part represent the electric field, while the bright part represent the magnetic field. These both fields are perpendicular to each other, while this line represents the direction of propagation of the wave. So these fields are at right angle to each other as well as to the direction of the propagation of the wave. Now the other thing is this case is that the magnetic and electric field, it is not necessary for them to be equal in magnitude. They can vary in magnitude with less or greater from each other. So it is called electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave can pass with or without any material medium. For example, the visible light is a electromagnetic wave. So we can see that light comes from the sun. So sun is far away from Earth's atmosphere and is in the space. So in space there is no medium, and still the light rays pass through the space, enters into the atmosphere where air, water vapors, etc. are served as a material medium and reaches to us. So electromagnetic waves can pass through with or without any material medium. Other examples of electromagnetic waves are radio waves. Similarly, microwaves and X-rays are also electromagnetic waves. And that's all for today. Thanks.